Testing the thermostat limit switch on Master and Remington Kerosene forced air heaters ensures the thermostat is operating correctly and can help troubleshoot any possible issues. Please read the owner's manual and all warnings prior to performing any maintenance on your heater. Do not use power tools to complete any step of this process to decrease the chance of damaging your heater. Before testing, make sure the heater is off, unplugged, and cool. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws from around the top of the unit. Remove the upper shell of the heater and the rear guard and set aside. Place the screws in a safe place and be careful with any sharp edges. Locate the limit switch inside the unit. The switch location may vary depending on your model. Unplug both connectors on the back of the limit switch. Connect the switch wires together. This creates a bypass to test if this part is defective. Set the upper shell back in place for safety and turn the unit on. If the heater runs with the bypass in place, replace the thermostat limit switch. If the unit does not run properly, the thermostat limit switch is likely not the issue. Continue to diagnose the issue with other methods. Refer to our online frequently asked questions for additional troubleshooting methods. After testing, remove the bypass wire and reattach the switch wires. The thermostat limit switch is a very important safety feature of your heater and must be reinstalled. Failure to reinstall the switch will void any product warranty and could potentially lead to property loss, bodily injury, or loss of life. Replace the rear guard and upper shell. Fasten in place, alternating from side to side as you go. For more information or assistance on your product, contact our customer care department at 1-800-641-6996 or visit us at pinnacleclimate.com.